What's up, guys? If you can't tell, today we're in the mini truck. We got some mini truck mods going on. If you saw the last video, you'll know what we got. The Subi. I painted the wheels yesterday. Once we get stopped, I'll show you guys. Oh, that was pretty smooth. Shifting with the right, all the way over to the left. Yeah, anyway, we're about to pull into my buddy Greg's shop, Sunstoppers of Lancaster. He also runs the Rock Hill store, as well as my buddy Colby Burke. His family runs a lot of the ones in Charlotte, Matthews, and all that area. You need your windows tinted. Sunstoppers, holler at them and give them a ring. Oh, coming in hot. Oh, Squirrely Steve. We just pulled in. I'm gonna go in here and talk to my buddy Greg and see if he wants to tint this thing today. Hopefully he's down. We're gonna slap some 5% all the way around this bad boy and get it all darkened up because I'm sick of it looking like a fishbowl. Let's go talk to Greg. Told you guys I'd show you the wheels. Check these bad boys out. O'Reilly Rattle Can Special. Get a good close look, man. It's not bad. We're gonna get this thing in the shop and dude, we're gonna get some window tint on this bad boy, so I'll pick you guys up in a little bit.
Caught up in the life of a modern day cowboy, riding that Harley like I had to go steal one, chasing that high danger when I wake, dodging every single bullet that's fired my way. A gun and mudslinger on them county roads, southern boy tattoos from head to toe. To hell with being pretty for the camera and phones, I came to get dirty and I got one go. To leave out a legend by any means, ride the storm no matter how bad it seems. Give them hell to the flames, charcoal the game. Never even try to fix my down home twang. To be the lone wolf of the country scene, the new age man in black that the people need. Tell them talk that shit, to me it means nothing. I'm only speaking for real country. Only speaking for...
What are we doing, man? We putting the finishing touches on this bad boy?
Touching it up, drying her out. Yep.
Looks good.
That's awesome.
We just got this thing all wrapped up, 5% all the way around. Dude, Greg, I thank you, man.
Oh, no doubt.
It looks awesome.
Yeah.
And now we're not gonna have anybody staring eyeballs through us every time we drive down the road. You need window tint? Come see my boys, Sunstoppers, Lancaster. They also got a store in Rock Hill. And then, like I said earlier, I got a bunch of buddies that are in the Sunstoppers franchise, so just go hit them up, man. If you like this video, we'll come back and try and cram these things on here with spacers. Dude, you look good on one of these, man.
Dude, I want one.
You bring mini trucks, man. You can just scoop one up tomorrow. I'll ride with you. No problem. Oh, you're good. Go this way and tick. You're clear. Give us some pepper. You go buy yourself a mini truck. You don't even have to use the back door. You can take it right through the front, everywhere. So next project for today, we ended up taking our little guards off to help my man out cut it. I needed to take off anyway because they were kind of crappy. I'll show you what they look like. You know, they were kind of dingy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean these bad boys up, paint them black, put them back on, get this looking dialed in. Dude, truck's coming around solid, boys. Stay tuned for all that. The mini truck is crispy, dude. I love it. Greg, appreciate you, man. All right, well, we just got home. As you can see, we're back in the truck. We hit a little bit of rain on the way home. The weather's been kind of crappy here in North Carolina the last few days. We're about to go in here. Like I showed you, I took the guard off the window right here. I already went ahead and got everything all cleaned up. The rain's kind of stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this extra adhesive and get all that stuff off. We're gonna get that stuff tinted. I got some good old fashioned. Actually, I'll just show you guys what I got. If you know, you know. We got some good old-fashioned nightshades. I was gonna paint them black, but then I got to thinking and I was like, you know what? I really don't want them to be like solid black. I kind of just want them to be still somewhat transparent. I'm still gonna tape them off really nice, do a professional job, spray the nightshade on underneath, and hopefully that'll still kind of just give us some transparency. I've used it before on headlights and taillights. Not recommended, but you know, we've all been there. Everybody was 16 once, right? You know what I'm saying? I picked up some double-sided tape too, so we're dialed in there. So let's go get in the garage, finish phase 1 of the mini truck build. This is all we got left. The tint, boys, looks so much better. It feels so much better driving around. It doesn't feel like I'm driving in a fishbowl. Pretty nice. Like I said, I got all these all cleaned up already. I already got the glue off of these. Original 1993. I got one little crack here, but we're gonna take that nightshade, spray these out. We're gonna tint the back sides in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all prepped up and get the first coat on this. And then while these are drying, I'm gonna get the glue off the top of the windows. Hey, come on. Show everybody how you like to play fist here. Ready? There he is. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You know he's a good boy. Hit it one more time, boy. One more time. Literally, man, he could do this all day. Anyway, back to the video. I got this all shaken up. Now I only want to spray the back sides of these, so I'm just gonna try my best to hold the camera and get this at the same time. So I'm just gonna lightly not too heavy. I don't want to deal with any runs. I can come back and do a second coat, no problem. Definitely don't want to sand out any runs. So that looks pretty good. First coat applied. I'm gonna let this dry down, hit it once or twice more. While we're waiting on that first coat to dry, I'm gonna get out here with some Goo Gone and I'm gonna scrape this stuff off. That way, by the time everything's all dried up, we can apply our 3M tape and get these bad boys back on and show you guys the final result. So I'm waiting on the final coat of tint to dry right now. I just went around, got all the tops of both doors dialed in. It's still kind of rainy outside, super wet. I could take it up underneath the building and dry it all off, but it's also like 35 degrees today, so it's super cold. Tomorrow's supposed to be like at least 50, 55 and sunny. So I'm just gonna let all this stuff dry overnight. I'll pick you guys up tomorrow. So what's going on? It's the next day. I already took the time last night. Got 3 coats of tint on the back sides of these. They're looking pretty money, not gonna lie. And I already went ahead and got them all lined out with some fresh double-sided 3M tape. Got my buddy Jesus here gonna help me get the angles, and we're gonna get to install these things. Trying to get all these pieces of paper off. My worst nightmare about using double-sided tape. Oh, not too bad. Remember exactly where they go, so I'm just gonna link it pretty spot on there. Don't want to break it either. Put this piece of trim back up in here. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's crispy. We'll make sure we get this all heated up because it's a solid 45 degrees today. Let's do the other side. I feel like we're already off to a better start. We're gonna go ahead and get our trim pulled down. Check it. This one came out without a hitch. Since we already know what we're doing, we'll go ahead and get our little buttons put in here. That's my buddy Kendall. Comes by all the time, blasting the horn, revving his engine. We have some people come by doing burnouts in front of the drive. So far, if you're watching, nobody has done a good burnout, I'm just saying. If you're gonna stop and do a burnout, do a burnout. If not, take your truck back to daddy. How did we get so twisted? Not even 5 o'clock yet. Oh, buddy.
How we feeling?
Ooh. Just got these all wrapped up. Good. I know you guys saw what the truck looked like last week when I picked it up. Just take a look at it right now. We got the fresh painted wheels, fresh window tint, and those visors just set it off before they were clear and ugly, you know what I mean? Gonna get these heated up, get the adhesion on the back of that 3M tape dialed in, and we are ready to rock and roll, boys. I'm loving how this truck is coming around. The next phase is probably gonna be a bed liner, not gonna lie. Spray a bed liner. I might paint this back rack bar. I might paint it black. Let me know in the comments what I should do. I'm definitely thinking bed liner, paint the rack, and then I'm gonna save up for a lift kit. Unless anybody watching this video wants to sponsor a build, I would love some LED lights and all that good stuff. So if anybody's interested in sponsoring a mini truck build, if you're watching this, and I need some brush bars, I need a roof rack, we got all the stuff, so let's work a deal. Well, that is gonna do it for today's video. Trying to switch up the content with the mini truck a little bit, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're in the market to get your windows tinted, man, go hit up my man Greg at Sunstoppers in Lancaster. He also runs the Rock Hill store. Tell him you watched the video and tell him Jake sent you. No promises, but you know, he'll probably give you a hookup, not gonna lie. Good people to be around, so if you need your windows tinted, get on there and see him. I really appreciate you guys watching. Can't believe all the support that I've gotten from starting the channel. Really means a lot to me, man. I really have no expectation to this. I'm really just doing it all for fun, and you know, hopefully at some point it'll take traction. So if you're enjoying watching, I appreciate it. The goal is to try and hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We're a little ways off of it. That's just the goal we're shooting for. So I love all you guys. Keep doing your thing. I think this weekend me and Miller, we're planning on taking the mini truck and the side-by-side. We're going down to the sand pits. Be on the lookout for that video coming in the next week. I'm gonna put this thing through the test, so tell me what you want to see on the mini truck. Like, subscribe, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Love y'all.
I am a leader you shouldn't follow.